12th question. Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to half into x plus y plus z, then x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Now, according to this question, here we should verify it. So, this one is LHS side, that one is RHS side. Now, RHS side will take here RHS side, right hand side, 1 by 2 x plus y plus z, then square bracket, then x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So, this you should write as it is 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z. Then use a minus b whole square formula, expand this. So, now this one it become a minus b, means here x minus y is there. So, first what we should take, x square minus 2ab. 2ab means here 2xy plus b square, that means here y is there, so you should take y square. Next same, plus y square, then minus 2yz, that means you should expand this by using a minus b whole square formula, plus z square, then plus z square minus 2zx plus x square. Now, this 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z you should write as it is. Then x square, how many times x square is there, you say x square 2 times 2x square, then y square 2 times plus 2y square, z square, how many times, 2 times 2z square. The next minus 2xy minus only one time is there, so you should take minus 2xy, then minus 2yz minus 2zx remaining. Then this is equal to 1 by 2 x plus y plus z. 2 you take from all these terms common, 2 is common, so you should take outside the bracket. Then remaining here x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So, denominator 2 and numerator 1 to get cancelled. Then here multiply it, x into all these terms, okay, x into x square, it become x cube. Then next first term into first term over, first term into second term, plus xy square plus xz square minus x square y minus xyz minus zx square. Then second term into all these terms you should multiply, y into x square plus x square y plus y into y square y cube, then plus y into z square, then minus y into xy, it become xy square, then minus y square z minus yzx. The next third term into all these terms, z into x square, z into y square plus z into z square is z cube minus xyz minus yz square minus z into zx z square x. Now check it here, plus xy square is there, any minus xy square minus xy square minus x square xy square here, so this you get cancel, plus xz square minus xz square xz, where is xz square, plus xz square is here minus xz square minus xz square xz square, cancel it, minus x square y, that means we want plus x square y plus x square y, this cancel it. Now minus zx square plus zx square get cancelled. Okay. Next what is there here, yz square minus yz square get cancelled. The next minus y square z minus y square z plus y square z get cancelled. Now what is remaining here, x cube, we want LHS side value, x cube plus y cube is here, y cube is there, so plus y cube, then z cube, here is z cube plus z cube. The next point 3yz, here minus 3xyz we want, 1xyz, again 2xyz, here 1 3xyz, so minus 3xyz. So here we proved same, that is LHS is equal to RHS verified. Okay.